Alright, we need to use an application called terminal. It's normally an applications directory within utilities. So applications, in fact, let me show you where it is. CD / is the root level. Applications / utilities, there it is, and then ls. And inside here is terminal. There it is, terminal.app. So you open up that and you get this. So clear, and there we go. Now what I need to do is remove the archive files from each of the lab machines. I've already done a few, but I'm going to make a movie now so that my student employees can do this on my behalf. So the first step is use SSH. We're going to tunnel into a computer using a secure protocol. And we're going to use our username for the administrative user, and then and then type in the address 147.153.205. The next station is 15. I've already done 11 through 14, so we'll start with 15. And it takes a minute or less for the computer to wake up. So again, SSH space, the username, and then the IP address. And then password for that administrative user. There we go. So it tells me I last logged in Monday, October 17th at 4 o'clock. And it tells me, yep, that's station 15 in NC 3604. Next I'm going to cd change directory / root level into AnArchive. Now I did a shortcut there. I used the tab key. If I start typing and hit the tab, it'll auto-populate if there's only one name that looks like that. If I just started with A and hit tab, it beeps at me because there's more than one name. If I hit tab again, it'll show me a list of those directory names. So then I can just do AN and tab, and there we go. Now I can do ls, and oh, there's a lot of files. ls -al gives me more information. I'm doing this to show you that some of these are directories. So here's a directory. Somebody was doing work on the desktop and they made a directory. And so when we do our remove command, we're going to have to use the recursive function. Before I do the remove command, I need to explain two things. One, pwd is the path to the working directory. We need to double check. It's written right here, and pwd confirms that it's AnArchive. That's the directory that we're in right now. The second thing we need to discuss is the sudo command. That's the do this command as a super user. Okay, so sudo space rm is remove -r recursive, and that'll go into the directories. For instance, this untitled folder here, that's a directory, so -r goes inside the directories, removes all those files too. It's a terribly dangerous function, and that makes it really dangerous, an asterisk, because that's going to remove everything. So again, we want to make sure that we're in the right directory before we do this command, because do as a super user is going to do exactly that, and we can destroy the file system. And you hit return and it says, ooh, this is powerful, you better give me your password again. And so we type password, and it takes a short time. There's not tons of files in there. ls -al again. Oh, they're all gone. So now I can type exit and get back to my home computer. And so it says the connection is closed, and now I can up arrow to my last command and then go into 16 and do the whole process over again. Now I go 11 all the way up to 18, and then I do 31 through 38, and that covers both the labs. Control C will escape out of a command. So if you are doing the sudo rm -r everything, I'm going to remove everything inside my utilities folder if I hit return right now. It's going to ask to confirm with a password, but this is a very dangerous command. So I'm going to hit Control C and then do pwd and see what directory I'm in, and then do a cd to AnArchive before I do that rm command. There we go. Control C and clear.